When it comes to wellness trends, few topics spark as much curiosity and controversy as the idea of detoxing the body. Recently, a new trend has emerged, promising to cleanse and rejuvenate one of the most intimate parts of the body, the vagina. Social media influencers, alternative wellness enthusiasts, and even some health food companies now tout vaginal detox drinks, claiming that these beverages can restore feminine balance, eliminate toxins, and promote overall vaginal health. But is there any substance behind these claims, or are vaginal detox drinks just the latest in a long line of wellness gimmicks? To understand where these claims come from, it's helpful to look at the broader appeal of detoxification in popular culture. The notion of detoxing, the process of removing toxins from the body, is not new. For decades, products and regimens have promised to flush out harmful substances, boost energy, and improve everything from skin clarity to digestive health. Vaginal detox drinks are the latest iteration targeting women who are concerned about their reproductive health, pH balance, or perceived buildup of toxins in their bodies. So, what exactly are vaginal detox drinks? Typically, these are beverages made from a mixture of herbs, fruits, and sometimes probiotics. Ingredients might include cranberry juice, apple cider vinegar, parsley, lemon, ginger, and various teas. Some products are marketed as daily tonics, while others are recommended for use in the days following menstruation or after sexual activity. The promotional materials often claim that these drinks will cleanse the vaginal canal, balance pH levels, eliminate unpleasant odors, and even improve fertility. Such promises are alluring. Many women are understandably interested in feeling confident, healthy, and fresh. But where did the idea that the vagina needs detoxifying come from? In reality, the vagina is a self-cleaning organ. Healthy vaginal tissue maintains its own balance of bacteria and acidity, largely thanks to beneficial bacteria called lactobacilli. These bacteria keep harmful microbes at bay and help the vagina maintain a slightly acidic pH, which is crucial for preventing infections. Medical professionals overwhelmingly agree that the idea of vaginal detox drinks is not supported by scientific evidence. The body, including the reproductive system, has intricate mechanisms for keeping itself clean and healthy. The liver and kidneys are the primary organs responsible for filtering and removing toxins from the bloodstream. There is no credible scientific evidence that ingesting particular herbs or juices will specifically target or cleanse the vagina. In fact, many gynecologists warn that attempts to alter the vagina's natural environment, whether through drinks, douches, or suppositories, can be harmful. Disrupting the natural balance of bacteria and pH can increase the risk of infections, such as bacterial vaginosis or yeast infections. Some ingredients commonly found in these detox drinks, like excessive sugar or acidic juices, could even contribute to an imbalance if consumed in large quantities. Despite the lack of scientific backing, the popularity of vaginal detox drinks speaks to a deeper issue: misinformation and stigma surrounding female reproductive health. For centuries, women's bodies have been subjected to myths and misconceptions. From old wives' tales about menstrual cycles to the persistent idea that the vagina is inherently dirty, these beliefs have fueled a multi-billion-dollar industry of feminine hygiene products. Cultural pressures to smell fresh or be clean have led many women to seek out products that promise to fix problems they may not even have. Some women might feel anxious about their natural scent or discharge, fearing that it signals uncleanliness or poor health. Marketers of detox drinks often capitalize on these insecurities, suggesting that natural variations are problematic and need intervention. It's important to highlight that the vagina is not meant to smell like flowers or fruit. A mild, musky odor is completely normal. Significant changes in odor, color, or discharge can be a sign of infection or other health issues, but these should be evaluated and treated by a healthcare professional, not masked or managed with over-the-counter concoctions. So, if vaginal detox drinks aren't necessary or effective, what are some evidence-based ways to maintain vaginal health? The answer is refreshingly simple. First, practice good overall hygiene. Bathe regularly. but avoid using harsh soaps or scented products on the vulva. Wear breathable cotton underwear and avoid tight-fitting clothes that can trap moisture. Always wipe from front to back after using the bathroom to prevent introducing harmful bacteria. Most importantly, listen to your body. If you notice symptoms like itching, burning, unusual discharge, or a strong odor, seek medical advice rather than self-treating with unproven products. A healthy diet and lifestyle also play a role in supporting vaginal health. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help maintain your body's natural defenses. Staying hydrated, managing stress, and getting regular exercise all contribute to overall wellness, including reproductive health. For some women, consuming probiotics, either in food or supplements, may be beneficial for maintaining healthy vaginal flora, but this is something to discuss with a healthcare provider. Ultimately, the allure of vaginal detox drinks is understandable. In a world where women are often made to feel anxious about their bodies, the promise of a quick fix can be tempting. But the best approach to vaginal health is grounded in science, not marketing hype. Trust your body's natural ability to care for itself and focus on habits that support your health from the inside out. If you're ever in doubt about what's normal or how to care for your body, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. They can provide guidance based on medical evidence, not trends. Remember, your body is resilient and remarkably capable of keeping itself in balance. No detox drinks required.